loved one? Very good to see you again. We are at the Seventh-day Adventist Church in Hollywood. We call it the Lavender Church. Would you like to introduce yourself?
Yeah, I'm Eddie. That's Buddy.
Hey, buddy. And my buddy, you're my buddy too, my man.
My buddy too.
Yeah, we love each other.
Yes,
Now,
we do.
tell me the breed of this bird. It's African.
Gray parrot.
Very nice. And it has a beautiful red tail.
Yes, he does.
And
People think I paint it sometimes.
you know what's amazing is that I was watching public television and they say that these parrots have the intelligence of a 4-year-old child.
Yes, they
Then
do.
they can speak and understand and they can do all kinds of things.
Very smart bird.
And they have a longevity.
Always wants to learn and be happy.
Very beautiful. And does
Happy child.
Buddy sing sometime?
Buddy sings. He loves all kind of music. As long as
Very
people are happy and the music is going, he'll
Very
like to
nice.
dance.
Very nice. So he
loves
starts to
happy
dance.
people.
And do you sing, my sweetheart? You
Not
sing
all
to
the
him?
time, but when I feel like I'm in the mood, but I'm not a good singer.
But
I'll
he
sing.
loves it. He loves it. He sings along.
Yes, man.
And what song does he like?
He likes every song.
Every
as long
song?
As every song is happy and dancing people. And
Okay,
he's
so then
joyful. Say hi, hello. Say hi, hello. I think he's shy from the camera.
well, I believe that he's also very intelligent.
And
That
beautiful.
he's looking at me. He's looking at me and he's thinking, well, maybe the lady can sing a song for us, Lovey. So let's sing him a song.
Okay, well you started off because
Okay.
I'm not a good singer.
Okay, I'll start off a nice song for him. Okay, a very easy song to sing would be, you are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You'll never know, buddy, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away. Yeah, sing to the bird. It's his birthday. So happy birthday. Happy birthday.
To you.
Happy birthday. Sing, my love.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. And many more. At least he was dancing.
Yeah.
He's celebrating living. So beautiful. God bless you and thank you. Love you. Love you.
Love you too.